The US dollar is enjoying buoyant demand as a safe haven asset. Its index is trading firmly at near 2-month highs. Today, US GDP data is on investors' radars. Investors are expressing risk aversion, awaiting more news on the fast-spreading coronavirus. They stoke fears about the extent of the economic damage that the coronavirus may inflict in China or around the world. Such concerns were confirmed by Fed's Chair Jerome Powell at the press conference yesterday. The Fed's leader said that the deadly virus may disrupt global economic growth, thus casting a shadow over the US economy. On the whole, the policy update of the Federal Reserve did not inspire global investors. The regulator cleared up that the current stance of monetary policy would be hardly adjusted this year, though the central bank was not satisfied with soft inflation. So markets are betting on the only rate cut roughly in the third quarter. The US dollar index edged down in the New York trade. Nevertheless, it remains close to the level of 98. Today, the US reported on its economic growth for the fourth quarter that could discourage investors. Due to the trade conflict with China, the US economy expanded in the fourth quarter at the same pace as in the previous 3 months. So, GDP grew the modest 2.1% in annual terms. Tariffs on Chinese imports and retaliation from the US trade partners inflicted pain on the US manufacturers. Besides, the downturn in imports and low sales made a negative contribution to the GDP value. On the plus side, consumer spending increased by 2.9% last quarter, unchanged from the third quarter. At the same time, an annual rate declined. Commodity currencies are trading under pressure. The Canadian dollar is no exception. Earlier today, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair extended its climb with confidence, but the pair settled down at 1.3214 in the New York trade. The loonie has been weighed down by falling oil prices. It is set to continue its downtrend as today Brent crude slumped by over 2%. This month, the US dollar is recognized as the strongest currency among the top 10 major currencies. Since early January, it has advanced 1.6%. On the other hand, the Australian dollar has been trading firmly in the red. The Norwegian krone has become the worst performer, having lost 4.3% due to the steady bear trend in the oil market. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you back tomorrow.